Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about things that I didn't like about Windows 11 and things that hindered my work so bad. Windows 11 is really ambitious. I really like some things about it. I really like the multitasking option that you have now. But there are some things that really annoy me, like they used to exist in Windows 11 but now they don't. So without any further ado, let's talk about them. Okay, so first of all, Windows 11 taskbar. Windows 11 taskbar needs tons of improvement. First of all, you cannot drag and drop directly to the Windows taskbar. And if you want, for example, to open Task Manager, the only option you get is taskbar settings. You have to click on the Windows logo, right-click, open Task Manager, which is kind of annoying to add extra 2 steps in order to get to the Task Manager. I know there is a shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open it, but it's not really that convenient. I mean, it's convenient as a shortcut, but you get the point. So the drag and drop functionality is really what annoys me the most. Let me show you an example. So for example, I have this image. I want to send it for a client because I'm a graphic designer. I do this like on a regular basis. I save to the desktop, I drag and drop. If I want to do it, I can't. I basically can't. I have to basically hold Alt Tab while still holding the image. Go to the window of, for example, WeTransfer. I want to send it to a client, then let go. It's really annoying to do it that way. So can we fix this problem? Now, in order to fix or enhance your experience in Windows 11, there are 2 ways. The first way, which depends on registry editing. You have to edit or modify your registry entries using regedit. You have to add some entries, delete some, add some, like manipulating system entries, which I don't really prefer. If you want to do that, make sure before you do any change to back up your registry, so you don't have a problem with the system. Easily you can go File, Export, give it a name and save it to your desktop, for example. Make sure the export range is set to all, so it saves all your registry entries, not just a branch. This is the first way. There are some automated ways if you are not really into registry editing. For example, there's a tool or utility on GitHub. It's called this is Windows 11, which is a nice utility. It shows you like features of Windows 11. For example, the new Windows settings app. So if you select it, you can press on preview. It's gonna open the settings for you. It's nice utility to show you these. Also, it has the ability to edit your registry through, like, for example, I want the old Windows 10 file Explorer. You can check whatever you want, check it, fix issues, but this way it's gonna modify your registry, so make sure to back up your registry first. Okay, the second method, which I prefer more than that, the second method is using a utility called StartAllBack. It used to be called StartAllBack, but this is a new utility. The old one used to be like giving you the Windows 7 lock on Windows 10 and 8.1. So thank God they made another one. This utility basically gives me like a lot of customizability without like much risk into breaking your system. For example, the taskbar, how can we fix it? We're gonna go to the taskbar. I'm gonna enable the enhanced classic taskbar. I'm gonna press on. If you want to see changes, you have to restart the Explorer shell in order for this to work. So I'm gonna press on restart now and just wait a little bit. You can see that just wait a second for it to refresh. Okay, so yeah, now it works. So you can see we got the old taskbar. If you press right click, for example, you get this old right click context menu, which I really like. You can go for Task Manager, really easy. You can basically drag and drop images really easily. You can pin programs into your taskbar also really easily. The icons are a little bit larger, which I really like because I felt they are a bit small in the old one. So this is the first fix. The taskbar, I didn't like it. It really lacks a lot, especially for me as a graphic designer. So I really like the enhanced classic taskbar. You can also edit the icons. You can do a lot of things, but I'm not gonna go over all of them. Feel free to experiment and do whatever you like. Now, another thing that I liked, but it's not for me. For example, this Windows Explorer, like the new ribbon, it's really simplified. But I prefer the Windows 10 one. I prefer the Windows 10 ribbon because it gives me a bit more options right in front of me. I mean, I know this is like customized to suit those with touch input devices, for example, Microsoft Surface lineup, but this is like not for me. I prefer the old one. So you can easily enable, if you go to Explorer, you can enable the Windows 10 ribbon and the change apply immediately. Just exit out of it, open it again, voila. It just works basically. And you can revert back really easily. Go Windows 11 command bar, exit and open it back. It works. It's just a personal preference. Now, another top-notch feature I like about this utility is the right-click context menu. I really don't like the show more options in order to get to the old one. I think the old one is fine. If it ain't broken, just don't fix it. You can restore this by clicking on a classic context menu. If you click on it, right-click, it's gonna give you the show more option thing the moment you press right-click, which is really way better than just if you want to, like, for example, copy and paste a file. If you want to copy and paste a file, right-click, go to copy, then right-click paste. But in Windows 11, you get this icon when you press on the old context menu. So it's not really that convenient, for me at least. So yeah, that's about that. Anyway, so let's talk about the start menu. So the start menu of Windows 11, it's fine, I guess. I like it, but if you're really into the old one, you can use the enhanced classic start menu, press on it, then press start, you got the old one if you're really into it. So that's really about it. You can modify start menu, taskbar, Explorer, and you can feel free to explore the program. You have like I think 30 days a trial. I already bought it because I really like it. It's really worth it, and it's not that expensive. It's really not that expensive. It's only $5. So I really like it. Hopefully, Microsoft doesn't do anything to stop it, but I think the developers will will always find a way around it. I'm not sponsored by any means. I just really like the utility and I want to talk about it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Press thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and thank you.